Okay, one of the simplest, if not the simplest, fixes for the do-it-yourselfer on the 2010 Hyundai Accent is checking or replacing your PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation valve. We'll need to take the engine cover off to get to it. It's 10 millimeter. I'm finding it difficult to get specific information. Anybody that wants to do this job for you will recommend changing it more often, obviously. Anybody with replacement parts will certainly want to sell you replacement parts quicker. So I'm actually having a little bit of trouble in finding specific information on it. Now, the valve is located right here under this. Okay, so let's move this over. Okay, to check the valve, I have a new one here. To check it, this would be the end that's sticking out. You would be able to put something small and you should be able to push the valve open. So it shouldn't open this way. It rattles. So if we put something small in, then it should be able to open, and that pushes that back out. So we'll take these pliers off. Move that out of the way. And this little rubber cover should just slide off. Okay, well, we might need to move that a little further. Okay, and then that just pulls right off. So I need a wrench to get that off. It's 14 millimeter. Goodness, they got that torqued down. Now it's getting looser. That don't look good with that gunk buildup on it. But we'll see what happens if it's in the shop. Okay. Well, it's working now, but it was stuck. There's people that believe you can clean these. Personally, I wouldn't do it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take this hose completely off, if I can get the hose off, and clean it as well inside. Actually, that may be stuck and break. Let's see if there's room to work it loose here. Nope. Okay. Okay, gently work it loose and slide it off. You don't really have to do this part. Inspect that it's not gunked up with oil. I'll be right back. I'm going to go squirt this out and clean it out. I guess carburetor cleaner is fine to clean that out. I don't know. We'll give it a try. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've squirted carburetor cleaner down in both sides, rinsed it out, then I washed the carburetor cleaner off with water. We'll let that set and dry while we get the specs for. I might have cleaned that out too, couldn't I? No, I'm just going to leave that alone. Okay, so let me go see the torque value on that. Okay, in order to get this back on, you don't want to cross thread it. Would require a deep socket, 9/16 or 14 millimeter. What I don't know is if you can get all this in there, torque it as well. I guess so. Good. Okay. Yeah, I guess you can get it in there. So then our hose should be dry by now. So we'll put the hose back on. And this little cover, it just slips on over it. The pliers might work better. Okay, perfect. Or good enough for me. The cost of the part was about $8, maybe $8.50. You should do this probably every 2 years. It doesn't hurt to check. It's a real simple fix, real inexpensive. It's actually not that much trouble. Don't forget the little wrench. So it's kind of an easy, quick fix. One of the problems that you can run into is reduced gas mileage if you don't keep it working properly. You can have reduced gas mileage, you can have the motor produce more sludge in the oil or burn oil due to that valve not working correctly. Probably other things. We'll put the engine cover back on. In a way, taking the engine cover off is more trouble than changing the valve. And there we're done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't like the video. Leave a comment. Again, I'm not actually a licensed mechanic. This is just my car that I do stuff to and make videos of it.